If you have road traffic noise or noise from neighbours, have you ever thought an acoustic door might solve your problem? Strategically upgrading one of the doors in your home could give you that peace and quiet you desire.
Let's just look at upgrading this door, this porch door, for road traffic noise, or if your neighbours are making noise here and you want to close the door on it because you're not quite ready to soundproof this area yet. If I'm stood here in this lounge diner and you can see through the door, there's the porch door. We want to reduce the noise from the neighbours in that foyer porch area getting into the new soundproof lounge, but also we want to reduce road traffic noise getting into the lounge as well. So creating that two door, that double door system will massively reduce the road noise from getting in from the porch into this lounge diner. The first thing you've got to do is upgrade the door frame, and you can buy a fire rated frame from your builders merchants, and they come with a routed out groove where an acoustic seal can fit nicely. The groove will take an acoustic seal which is 4mm thick by 15mm wide, and depending on what type of seal, acoustic seal you can get, will depend on how much it sticks out and how you fit the door. This door, even though it's got glazing in it, is actually still quite a good door and has actually solved the problem from road noise from the front door getting into this lounge diner, and it's actually reduced the neighbour noise in this porch area getting into this lounge diner.
If you think you've got what it takes to DIY soundproof your home, click the link in my bio. I'll answer 10 questions and I'll send you a free copy of my book, The Noise Free Home.